To summarize your data set in Studio, there are various ways in which you can summarize your data set in Studio. That is, you want to see a summary of your data set. Now, I have a data set here which I've imported using this line of code. My data set is located in an Excel spreadsheet, and I make use of this function to import my dataset into the Studio. So then when I run this line of code, it has imported the dataset. So this is my dataset. And here my dataset, I have a column known as sex. I also have a column known as race. Now, you can see that we have race, and for each race we have sex. Now, one represents black, one represents white, two represents black, and then three represents other races. Now, so I can get the summing of these two datasets. Among all this list of datasets, I could use the table function to get the summing of this particular dataset. So I could just use the table. I could use the table function to get the list of the dataset, and this is the name of my dataset I've imported into Tableau. Now, since I have a list of datasets, I am only interested in a particular dataset. So, for instance, let's assume I'm interested in the race. Okay, now that we select just only the race. Okay, now I'm not interested in the sex. Okay, now once I run this particular line of code, that will give me a brief summary of that. Now you can see for the whites, I have the number of females is 1,239, while the number of males is 1,002. While for other races, I only have female 105 and male 86. Now I can decide to plot this particular function. I can decide to plot it in form of chart by using the plot function. Okay, I can use the plot function to plot that. Now, just copy that line of code and use the plot function. When I plot the plot function, you can see we have male, we have the female, and then we have the white, we have the black, and have the other races. You can see other races is very, very small. So what the chart represents is similar with what we got using table summary. So this is how you do the use of table summary in App Studio.